Organic Nutrient Lab, Part B, Testing for Monosaccharides. Advanced teacher setup is have the materials readily available for students, print and review the safety data sheet for Benedict's qualitative solution, have the Benedict solution transferred to dropper bottles for student use, and also you'll need a beaker of boiling water for the boiling water bath. The instructions tell you to use a dropper to transfer the liquids to the test tubes. However, when I did that, it did not work because the corn syrup is very thick and the droppers that we have weren't working. So in this case, I'm just going to pour the items into the test tube directly. So test tube number 1 is the control. You're just going to put water. I'm just going to fill it up about 1/3 of the way. And then I'm just going to add cornstarch so it looks like I have the same amount. I'm sorry, corn syrup. Well, it's thick, so it takes a little bit to settle. I'm using more than 10 drops because I want to be able to see what I'm doing. Alright, I'm just going to take some of the water out. I had a little too much water. Okay, about even, good. Then I'm going to place 5 drops of the Benedict solution into each test tube number 1 with the water. Test tube number 2 with the corn syrup. And then I'm going to transfer them to the hot water bath. Students will need to observe. It could take up to 5 minutes for this reaction to take place. You could do this as a demonstration. You can already see that the test tube with the corn syrup is turning an orangish color once it's exposed to the heat. That means that's a positive test for simple sugars or monosaccharides. So once you can see the difference, you can remove the test tubes from the hot water bath. Place them back into the test tube rack. And here you can see the difference. So now the students know what a positive test for monosaccharides looks like using Benedict's solution.